Shriram, see, we are doing numbers that add to 10. After this, we'll do numbers that add to 100. So this is very important to learn, because when you're doing addition and subtraction, it is good to know which numbers add up to 100 so that you can use friendly numbers. Okay. So we'll start with tens. So you have one number board. I have a number board. I am going to say 2. So which number when added to 2 becomes 10? 8. Okay. Now I will say 4. 6. Okay. Then how about 9? 9. Go on your number board. Yes. 9 plus something will be 10. 1. Okay. How about 7? 7. 3. Okay. Then 5. Go. 5. Okay, good. Okay, so now we are doing numbers that add to 100, because now you know how to add numbers to 10, right? Now we will do 100. Okay, I'm going to pick only 10s I'll do, multiples of 10, okay? I'm going to pick 30. So which number when added to 30 becomes 100? You can scroll. See, it has 0 to 100. You can scroll. 30 plus something makes 100.
70.
70. Okay, next. Let us look at 90. 90 plus what is 100, Shriram? 90 plus, you show on Avaz. Yeah. 90 plus
10.
10 is 100. Okay, next. Let's look at 40. 40 plus, you can scroll up and down, okay? 40 plus, go ahead. So we did 10 and 90. Now we are doing 40 and
60.
60. Okay. Then 50. 50 plus what is 100, Shriram? Go.
50.
50. Okay. Then 20. 20 plus
80.
80. Okay. 100 plus, if you have already 100, then how much should you add to make it 100 if you already have 100?
0.
0. Okay, now let's look at 5s, okay? Multiples of 5s. Let's start with something simple. 75. If I have 75, how much do we need to make it 100? You can click any number here. Go.
25.
Okay. And if we have, so 75, 25. So 65. If we have 65, then how much do we need? So you can relate to the previous one. 75, if we need 25. If we have 65, we will need, go ahead. No, I am showing 65 here. So you will show
35.
35, yes. One more will do, okay? One more. I have 15. I have 15. And you will, how much do we need to make it 100?
85.
85. Last one. I have 55. I have 55. So we need 55 plus
45.
45 is 100. Very good. So Shriram, we did numbers that add to 100, right? We did multiples of 10, multiples of 5, but not always we get multiples of 10 and 5, right? Sometimes they can be any number in this chart. So let's try to figure out if we can find two numbers that add to 10, add to 100, but they are not multiples of 10 or 5. That is, they don't end in 10 or 5, okay? So let's start with something simple. 97. I take 97. So which number will you add to make it 100? You can show on Avaz. If we are at 97, how much more do we need to make it 100? Yeah, go. We are here. Okay? Okay. Suppose we are taking steps. We are walking up the stairs, or we are walking down the stairs, and we have to reach 100. We are at 97. So how many more steps do we have? Yeah, go ahead. Keep it close to you. 97 plus
3.
3. Yes. So we'll do one more. Okay. So we did 97 plus 3. Next we will do 19. Okay. This is also somewhat simpler. 19. We are here. So we have to reach 100. So how many steps do you think it will be to reach 100? You can scroll. You can scroll if you want. Okay, shall I give a hint? Shall I give a hint? So if we are at 20, 20 is a friendly number, right? 20, we need 20. If we are at 20, we need If we are on 20th step, we need how many more steps to reach 100? You can show on Avaz. 80, yes. So now we are on 19. So one step before 20. So how many steps will we need? We'll need more than 80, right? So how much more than 80 do we need? Shira?
81.
Yes, 81. Yes. So we first wrote 20 plus 80. Then we got the idea that 19 plus 81 could be 100. So now let's look for a slightly bigger number, okay? 38. So Shira, we are on 38 in this chart. But we want to make it to 100. Okay? So suppose India is playing a cricket match and they want to make 100. Some batsman is playing and he wants to make a big century. He's on 38. How many runs does he need to make 100? You want a hint? Do you want a hint? Yeah? Yes? Okay. So let's look at 40. Okay? Suppose he's at 40. How much will he need to make 100? How many more runs to make 100? You can scroll up, scroll down. Go.
$60,
right. So if it is 40, we need 60. So if it is 38, it is 2 less than 40. So how much will you need? You need more than 60, correct? So 38 is 2 less than 40. So you need more than 60. So what will that be here? 60? Little more than 60. Yes. 60?
62.
Right, 62. 38 plus 62. So what about 64? Okay, this is a bigger number now. 64. We are here. See, almost halfway through, more than halfway through to make 100. 64, how much will you need to go to 100? So I'm scrolling for you. See, there you go. So you didn't need a helper problem this time. See, 64 and 36. So what about if we are even close to 100? Maybe 73. 73. Okay. How much will we need now, Sriram? We are getting closer and closer to 100. 73. Then we will need. Yeah, go ahead.
27.
Very nice. 73 and 27. One last one. Okay, we are now going ahead. 82. 82 if we are on 82nd step. How many more steps do we have to go with 200? Yes. Over. Yeah.
18.
18. Over.